check. Oh gosh. Passages of time. I want to say greetings to each and everyone on the live right now. You're in due for a nice, mystical, loving treat, musically speaking. Sounds of the passages of time inside the Zion Love Yard. Right now, without any further delay, we're gonna see the princess crowned queen. Oh gosh, passages of time of bubble. So right now, people, in comes the voice of the one called Keziah.
On this road I travel with you to guide me. So I'm trying over hills and valleys, anything to get to you. Trying over hills and valleys, and I know you're gonna see me through to my home, to my home, to my home, to my take me there. Oh yes, I need you to take me there. Oh yes, Cha-cha, guide my step. Cha-cha, guide my step. Triding over hills and valleys, anything to get to you. Triding over hills and valleys, and I know you're gonna see me through to my home, to my home, to my home, to my Cha-cha, bless we. Cha-cha, guide we. Yes, I give thanks for everyone that's here and for everyone that is tuned in. This is I Am Kazaya Live, and I'm here to share with you all some music, some ones that are already out, and some new ones that I have to share with you all. This is the band Passage of Time. I want to say give thanks for your time. This next one, all right, I'm ready? There's nothing in life you can't do. No matter how bad it may feel, you just have to know, say, it starts in your mind. Then comes the actions. Then the manifestations, see it? So just make sure you pray where you're meant. So when you feel like you can't make it, Yes, that one is streaming on all digital media platforms. The video is out on YouTube, so please go check it out. And also the remix with Warrior King. Yeah, man. All right. So this next one is entitled Sweet. And this is a preview into my EP that will be followed in very, very soon. So this is it.
1, 2, 3.
Dove Music Productions, you know? Wadada I, Harjinder, and you know, Groovy. When it's sweet, it's sweet, me baby. Love it when you rock and free up your good day. Say it's sweet, me baby. Loud the machine, easy me select as me rock and come in. So now we touch the mic, cause the rhythm you're sweet. Big up agenda, wadada I, Dove Music Studio. We take you all night. To the frequency, I blaze, transmitting energy through these sonic waves. Vibes up, Bill, herbs up low, sevens clash, thunder roll when it's sweet. Say it's sweet, me baby. Love it when you rock and free up your good day. Say it's sweet, me baby. Load the machine and go love your lady. Say it's sweet, me baby. Love it when you rock and free up your good day. Say it's sweet, me baby. I feel it in my soul. Baseline just a roll. Rhythm section playing. Gets the string I'm singing. Easy me select as me rock and come in. So now we touch the mic cause the rhythm you're sweet. Agenda, wadada I, Dove Music Studio. We take you all night. To the frequency, I blaze, transmitting energy through these sonic waves. Vibes up, Bill, herbs up low, sevens clash, thunder roll when it's sweet. Say it's sweet, baby. Love it when you rock and free up your good day. When it's sweet, me baby. Load the machine and go love your lady. It's sweet, me baby. Love it when you rock and free up. Say it's sweet, me baby. Oh, you set me free. Yes, so that one, Sweet, will be coming very soon on my EP. You done know. Yeah, man. So the next one is actually a next Bryce Zion tune. So you don't know Bryce Zion, love goes out wherever you're there. Cali Massive, San Diego. Yeah, I hope you guys feel this vibe too.
1, 2.
I feel the vibe. It's flowing. This love is growing. Sweetness to the soul. Yeah, man. So we're just gonna keep it going. For all the lovers in the house, you know, we're singing clean, positive, upful music. You know, we have to remember His Imperial Majesty, Her Majesty, have the 25-year seal. You done know. So yeah, man, keeping it rolling. Zion Love Studio, Zion Love Sound, big up. You done know. My bad. Yeah, man, this one is coming forward on the LP. Kazaya meets Zion Love Song. Yeah. Sail away with me on this ship of love. We'll let up now. Yes, I. Sail away with me on this ship of love. Sail away with me on this ship of love. It's gonna be alright, I love ya, well blessed, cause King Alpha, Queen Amigo said to tell you not to fret. Relax and watch the ride and feel I love your progress. We up is starting tall, cause we are go past the taste. Sight how the love and overflow. We sharing knowledge so that two are we grow. Setting grounding for our youth. So they can be a light in this world and shine for all eternity. Sail away with me on this ship of love. Sail away with me on this ship of love. With true trust and honesty, yeah, we can defy gravity. With true trust and honesty, yeah, we can defy gravity. I feel safe and protected in His arms. Love is always reflected, and over time it's perfected. One perfect love, one perfect love, one perfect love. Sail away with yourself, see? There's a big hurt all over. We love that, man. We love that. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, Lou. Yes, man. Yes, I, man. What's up, babe? There's a big hurt all over. There's a big hurt all over. Tears in our eyes, sick of the lies. Tears in our eyes, we're sick of the lies. is entitled Thunderclap. And if you haven't heard it, it is out now, streaming on all digital platforms, and the video is on YouTube. Thunderclap. Here we go! Oneness Records. Lightning, a ninja thunderclap. When the lioness step ready for attack. Lightning, a ninja thunder roll. When the lioness step on patrol. Sometimes we're sweet and sometimes raga. Yet still we're militant, we're holding the order. Impressed many night, I got an example. Living in the hearts and we love that, yeah. Right into it again. Oneness Records. Big up, you know? It's the same way. Lightning, a ninja thunderclap. When the lioness them ready for attack. Lightning, a ninja thunder roll. When the lioness them step on patrol. Sometimes we're sweet and sometimes raga. Yet still we're militant, we're holding the order. Impressed many night, I've an example. Living in our hearts and our minds. For too long, we've been the victims. Unmanned enslaving between men and women. We're intricable. We can't be without each other. Oh, 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 a ninja thunderclap. When the lioness them ready for attack. Lightning, a ninja thunder roll. When the lioness them step on patrol. Sometimes we're sweet and sometimes raga. Yet still we're militant, we're holding the order. Impressed many night, I've an example. Living in our hearts and our minds. It's our time, so use it wisely. Wake up and live each day with no backsliding. As the lioness, all things are possible. Oh, lightning, a ninja thunderclap. The lioness them ready for attack. Lightning, a ninja thunder roll. When the lioness them step on patrol. Sometimes we're sweet and sometimes rocker. Yet still we're militant, we're holding the order. Impressed many night, I've an example. Living in our hearts and our minds. Divine feminine. We are the nurturers. We are the seers. Oh, the first teachers. We are the future. Lightning, a ninja thunderclap. When the lioness them ready for attack. Lightning, a ninja thunder roll. When the lioness them step on patrol. Sometimes we're sweet and sometimes raga. Yet still we're militant, we're holding the order. Impressed many night, I've an example. Living in our hearts and our minds. Oh, oh, hey, yeah, 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 yeah. Oneness Records, the music, yeah. Thunderclap. Yes, Louie. Big up the self. Yeah, man. Into it. What I them say? Yes, I. Again, if you're just tuning in, I am Kazaya Live. It's happening right now with the passages of time at Zion Love Yard. Yeah, man, we're in California right now. And we give thanks for the heat always, you know, but the hot. Yeah. Give thanks same way, yeah. This one is another gem coming forward. Cause Zion love sound, you know? Yeah, man. Died, I'm ready? Yeah, man, our beer vibes in here, man. We give thanks.
Test for Zion.
thanks and praise always. Aika, we have Bingy Man Aika. Yes, I give thanks and praise always. We have Blaine on the drums. Where's your Royal Prince? Give thanks and praise always. And we have Johnny on the bass. What you say, Johnny? Johnny? Nice and easy. Give thanks and praise always. Where is it, Josh? And let me be a little clearer. This is Josh on the trombone. Eyes is eye, eyes is eye, eyes is eye. Yeah. And on the keys, we have Louis. Soon call it Twinkle Finger. Give thanks again for everyone tuned in to I Am Keziah Live. I am Keziah. This is the passage of time. We are at Zion Love Yard, Paula, California. You know? So right now, this is really the end of the show. But I think it's the perfect time. Low, low, low. Yeah, man, I think it's the perfect time to just give respects to the late great Toots Hibbert, you know? So this next little piece, we're gonna big up the late great, you know? Yeah, man.
One, two.
Go to bed and sleep it won't come. Get up in the night. I couldn't find my feelings. Early in the morning, it's the same situation. In comes the landlord, coming knocking up on my door, knocking up on my door. I got 400 months rent to pay, and I can't find a dollar. Let me tell you, time's tough. Every day is so time's tough. Everything is good. Yeah, man. We must always give thanks. I remember the ones that came before us that made it possible for us to be here doing what we're doing, you know? God for the works that the great Toots Hibbert has done, you know. But we just want to pay homage. Again, I am Keziah. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you all for coming tonight. It was such a joy. Give thanks, passage of time. We look forward. See? Rastafari, I, dove music, I.
That is, I am Keziah, alongside the passages of time. Inside the Zion Love Yard. Oh gosh, what a musical slaughter. Big up passages of time, the whole bands, you know. All I tributers to the whole vibration. And definitely give it up one more time for the one called Keziah. Rastafari, Eli, Selassie, Joe. Rastafari, I.